Good morning YouTube, hello and welcome. My name is Henry and this is my video blog Henry Wonders. It's another beautiful day in paradise and I'm gonna go now to work out a bit because why do I keep saying why I do stuff? I just do them. So I'm gonna go to the guys I met 2 nights ago. They have this hanging thing for pull-ups. And I will try to do some. Long time I didn't do pull-ups. Let's see. So I asked this nice girl to take a video of me doing some sport. What I like about pull-ups and those kind of sports is that they use your natural weight and they work on a lot of muscles simultaneously. This workout I did 5 sets of 5 pull-ups each. This exercise is from the yoga world and it also activates a lot of muscles in the body simultaneously. Mirto, Haristo Mirto. My name is Henry. Thank you, bye. So, I just finished workout. It was nice. It was quite a short one, but because for a long time I didn't do, especially not pull-ups, so I didn't want to do too much, so my muscles won't hurt. Anyways, I did it fasting, like I didn't eat since last night. I just had coffee with no sugar. And this is better, well, maybe it's a bit harder, but it's better in that sense that the body has to take all the energy from itself. So it improves metabolism. And I'm doing it for a long time. So actually it's not very hard for me, but in the beginning it was hard. Anyways, I'll walk around. Maybe I'll find something interesting. I'll show you what the guys are doing. Walking and rope.
What's up, motherfuckers?
Look. I never tried this thing. Nice. Orea. Wow. After working out and having breakfast, I went out for an adventure. Signomi, Fonias Edo. So I'm going to this new river. Well, it's not new, it's new for me. It's called Fonias. I don't know. The beer I drank the other day is called after this waterfall. It's supposed to be very big, very touristic, like many people. I never been. I just hitchhiked. I was, I don't know, going with the wind, and some guy stopped with a motorbike. Oh my God, it was quite scary to go with him. He was driving okay, but I mean motorbikes are a bit scary. And he told me, yeah, I'm going to Fonias. I said, yeah, let's go. Look. And I think this is only like the end. Probably when I go up, there will be much more water. Let's see. So in this river, there is quite a bit of walk from the beginning, from where the motorbike dropped me, till the actual big pools. There are some pools, but they're okay. They're kind of small. It would be enough for me, but I'm greedy, so I want to see. It's supposed to be very big and very special. And I think if I already came like to this place, I would go to see the big ones and see another big thing. Look at this beauty. It's like, I don't know, it seems, oh, it's like another plant climbing on it. Look. Nature is amazing. Okay, I think I'm almost there. But since I don't want to don't want to invade people's privacy, and I think there will be some nude people, I will make a video from here, and if I get a chance from there, okay, but if not, privacy is more important. So it's so beautiful, and it's the biggest waterfall I saw so far on this island. I will try to make a video. And the water goes there. Look, so nice. And now I will climb up here to the next pool. Woo! Amazing. So beautiful. Look at that. Maybe working out in the morning wasn't the greatest idea, but we eat what we cook, okay? But look what I cooked with what nature cooked for me, for us. Shablam! And there is the pool I came from, and of course the sea, so many trees, the cicada, and I will go more. I hope the next one is not far. Someone told me, yeah, it's you go just 2 minutes. I'm walking for I think 10 minutes already. But look, it's okay, I should just show you. So dramatic. Oh my god, this is, yeah, you see, a proteger, be cautious, and I will try to be cautious. תרימו לה תרימו עד שכולם יגידו. So clear. It's like glass. בסוף השזה רוקדת איך שבא לי, איך להיות פנומנלי, בוא איתי אל החרב לא נורמלי. Real. Thank you. Here we can see one of those trees covered by the vines, like the other plant climbing on it. Look. So this is the original tree, like the big one, the fat one. No, you're not really fat. You have big bones. But and this is the one climbing on it. And look, it's completely covering it. Now I guess it's dead. The second one, the small one. Oh shit, the sun doesn't. And it goes up all the way. And the result is, when it's alive, is like one of those. I showed you before, but look. Isn't it marvelous? I don't think maybe the big tree doesn't like it that much, because maybe it's how we say, strangling him. But I like it. It's very beautiful. So I finished this river, the big one. I mean, I finished. I went up 2 pools and I swimmed. Now I will go down. This is the end, almost. There is the parking. And I will hitchhike either to the campsite or to the village. I don't know, I'm hungry, but it would be nice to change clothes and shower maybe. We'll see what destiny will bring. Or maybe not.
I have dirty glasses.
Cool.
Take open the window and put it out.
Yes, and then it will break. It's a good idea.
Okay.
So I was walking to the village and I was like hungry and I was planning to go to Taverna. But then I met this... Remind me your name?
Balu.
Balu, famous Balu. He's from the movie Mowgli, by Jungle Book. And he gave me this, he's like calling me, Henry, you want to eat? And I was like, yes, I'm so hungry. Even though I was planning to eat something like not vegetarian, but so good. It's so tasty. It's stuffed peppers and tomatoes. It's very good and I'm very hungry. So, How did you say it's called?
Gemista.
Gemista. Stuffed peppers. With rice. And I think there is a lot here. It's enough for a family. A small family. It's amazing how this island takes you whenever you let go of control. Took me to Fonias and gave me food when I was hungry. Another day in paradise is ending. I'll see you tomorrow.